You are going to get some sample and free products, and this is a big tub. Now this is my third bottle, rice water and niacinamide. This is how the packaging looks like. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back again to Mandy Talks. So आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, आप जैसे कि देख पा रहे हैं मेरे पास एक प्लम का बॉक्स पड़ा हुआ है, ना आपको वीडियो के टाइटल से ऑलरेडी पता चल गया होगा. सो रिसेंटली देयर इज़ अ सेल गोइंग ऑन प्लम. इंडिपेंडेंस डे का सेल चल रहा है. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. तो इसीलिए आई वेंट अहेड एंड आई बॉट सम प्रोडक्ट्स. सो उसी एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करने के लिए मैं आप सबके साथ यहाँ पे हूँ. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फाइनली यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ आइटम्स परचेज़ किए हैं. मैंने कुछ परचेज़ किए थे अराउंड 1500 रुपीज़, एंड प्लम पे कुछ ऑफ़र चल रहा था कि अगर 1500 के अब कुछ 1500 तक अगर कुछ आप शॉप करते तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट सम सैम्पल एंड फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई गॉट सम फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल. तो पहले मैं दिखाती हूँ मैंने क्या परचेज़ किया, उसके बाद क्या फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स मिले हैं मुझे तो वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. तो जो पहला प्रोडक्ट मैंने लिया है वो है फ्रॉम this is an hair mask. This is olive and macadamia mega moisturizing hair mask. This is for chemically treated hair, but not only for chemically treated hair. अगर आपके बहुत ही dry hair और बहुत ही frizzy hair है तो I would suggest go ahead with this mask. I have been using it from 1 month now, and this have really worked wonders for my hair. So this is how it looks, and this is a big tub. Definitely you are going to, this product is going to last you for at least 2 to 2.5 months. You're not going to finish up so quickly this hair mask. So this is my first product. Now the second product is a vitamin C serum, that is the mandarin and vitamin C serum of 15%. This is for glow boosting. This is how the packaging looks like. Now this is my third bottle. I have been using it from a very long time. अगर आपको कोई भी blemishes है या even skin नहीं है, so I would definitely, या tan हो गया, I would definitely suggest you to go ahead with this serum. This is a beautiful blend of vitamin C, and this has ethyl ascorbic acid as well, and kakadu plums. This has kakadu plum and Japanese mandarin technology, and all the antioxidants have been added here. So this is one of the best vitamin C I have come across. So if you're looking for a best vitamin C within a budget, so you can go ahead and purchase this. Definitely give it a try once. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के डिटेल्स, लिंक्स एंड प्राइजेस डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में होंगे. मुझे इस वक्त याद नहीं है, so you can check the description box once. Now moving on, I got a neck serum, that is a niacinamide serum. This is 10% niacinamide serum. This is for clarity booster. This is rice water and niacinamide. This is how the packaging looks like. Now if you are like this rice water niacinamide, if you are working out on some targeted spots, you have it on your skin, so I would suggest you to go ahead and check this niacinamide serum, because again this is in budget. प्लम के रेंजेस बहुत ही अच्छे हैं विद इन द बजट एंड रेंजेस, एंड प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम गुड सीरम्स, go ahead and check Plum's website. This is for, and moreover this is going to suit all type of skin, all skin types, so you need not worry for that. This is the next purchase. Now coming on, I got one mascara. This is their newly launched mascara. This is how, I have not used it yet, it is still sealed, so I'll just show you because I have also not used. Let me check how it is. So this is the mascara. Now let us check the wand of it. Oh, it has a beautiful wand. So it says like this is also with vitamin E and chamomile seed oil. I have not used it yet. This is a volume mascara, let me try, and I am going to update in my next video how this worked out for me. Now coming to the next item, there were some offers going on in the nail polish, so I got this 3 shades. These are the 3 shades I got it. So this was in combo offer, so I really liked it, so I got this. Now all this item were above 1500, within 1500 of range. So because I got this was in 1500 of range, I got some free items from Plum, as I mentioned you. So there are 2 free items which I got. Is first is this vitamin C moisturizer, and the next is this vitamin C toner. This is in a series I got. This is the full size. I thought that I'm going to get a sample size product, but this is a free size, this is a full size product I got, and both the products are with this moisturizer is with 3% of vitamin C, and this toner is with 1.5% of the vitamin C. So anyhow, I'm very happy with this purchase, because I just ordered this serum, and by getting a free item, I almost made a skin range of vitamin C. So these are the free products. So if you guys are looking for good vitamin C, firstly I would really highly recommend you the vitamin C and this Plum hair mask. If you're looking for a good hair mask and a vitamin C, do try this out from Plum. You are not going to regret it. So hope guys this video will be helpful for you. If you're looking for a good serum, do try this out. I think you can understand the way I have told you so many times, I'm recommended you. That means this is really a beautiful serum. So if you want to purchase, do check out the description box, and till then I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye friends.